Hi friends, welcome to Update World channel. Who are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notification. Today we are going to see about the top 10 most expensive beds in the world. First most expensive bed. Baldacchino Supreme Bed $6.3 million. The Baldacchino Supreme Bed, designed by Stuart Hughes, is one fine elegant piece of art. With an interior crafted of 24-karat gold weighing over 90 kilograms and a frame made of ash, cherry and classy canopy wood, this bed is one you might be afraid to fall asleep in. There are only 2 of them available in the world and the price of one reaches an astounding $6.3 million, making it sound more like an artwork never to be touched than something to sleep in. Second most expensive bed. Magnetic Floating Bed $1.6 million. While some creators speak to their costumers in terms of opulence and exquisite features, others tell tales of minimalism and great technological innovation. The magnetic floating bed is one revolutionary approach to sleeping since it relies on its magnetic field to hover above the floor. The bed can support up to 900 kilograms, but it weighs around 680 kilograms because of the powerful magnets it needs. Yet that's not even a problem when you think that the room must not have anything metallic inside. So if you feel like literally floating around in your sleep, be sure to ready yourself to pay a staggering $1.6 million. Third most expensive bed. Judo Steel Style Gold Bed $676,550. Made with the sole purpose of standing out, the Judo Steel Style Gold Bed has features that once made it the most expensive bed in the world. While it lost the competition, it's still in top 3. The features we are talking about are internet connection, a TV screen with DVD player, PlayStation and a surround sound system. Nothing too fancy, right? But when you add the ridiculous amount of gold and Swarovski crystals, the price of $676,550 seems justified. Fourth most expensive bed. Pernian Furniture Bed $210,000. Abdul-Hay Pernian designed the Pernian Furniture Bed more as a piece of art crafted with perfection and great attention to detail rather than a simple bed. The design combines wood as the main material with stainless steel and gold, bringing a sculptural element into the bedroom. The creator left great customization options with the possibility to incorporate features such as iPad holders, charging stations, pop-up TVs or LCD monitors, hidden compartments, custom mattresses and many more. The price of this bed can go up to an astonishing $210,000. Fifth most expensive bed. Quantum Sleeper Bed $160,000. Both a bed and a nuclear fallout shelter, the Quantum Sleeper Bed is the one you'll want to go for if you believe that a zombie apocalypse is waiting right around the corner. Well, we are exaggerating a bit. The bed won't protect you in case of a nuclear explosion and the radioactive fallout afterwards, but it will safeguard you against natural disasters, biochemical terrorist attacks, intruders and even bullets. Among its main features there are a refrigerator, a microwave and a TV, a toiletry system, backup power, emergency communication system, filtered ventilation and rebreather, making the Quantum Sleeper the ultimate survival bed. Add smoke and motion detectors and full home control and you can definitely say that home is where you feel the safest. For those feeling paranoid enough to buy this bed, they would need to drop a whopping $160,000 from their bank accounts. But hey, the zombie apocalypse is coming, right? Sixth most expensive bed. Majesty 6 Spring Bed $84,000. The Majesty 6 Spring Bed is an upgraded version of the Monarch at number 10. It's handmade to ensure no compromise is made when it comes to comfort and crafting perfection. The mattress comes with 3 layers of calico pocketed springs and the finest British fleece wool, Shetland wool silk, cashmere and European horsetail hand-teased fillings. The bed is bedecked with layers of gold and silver for an exquisite design and the price makes sure you see that. The Majesty costs a good $84,000. Seventh most expensive bed. Cosmovoid Bed $60,000. What could be more restful than a cocoon-like type of bed in which anyone would feel comfortable, safe and protected? Designed in the north of France, the Cosmovoid bed resembles the shape of an egg, with a frame completely covered by mattresses that flex and adapt to the body shape. The LED lights overhead and the home theater system with integrated TV will ensure long lazy mornings, and the telephone will keep friends at an arm's distance away. Depending on one's choice of features, the bed will cost something around $60,000. 8th most expensive bed. The Starry Night Sleep Technology Bed, $50,000. A more technological approach comes from Leggett & Platt with a bed designed to be the archetype of modern sleep, a combination between modern technology and a comfortable bed to create the perfect sleep environment. It comes with anti-snore technology, temperature control on both sides, and a sleep diagnostic center for monitoring body movements and breathing patterns. And since today connectivity is the name of the game, the bed comes with an iPod docking station, allowing its sleepers to connect to the internet. In addition to that, there is a video projector that can transform the ceiling into a sky full of stars or even a cinema screen. The price for this high-tech bed is a good $50,000. 9th most expensive bed. Sphere Bed, $50,000. Designed by Kareem Rashid to be the perfect retreat for lovers, the Sphere Bed comes wrapped in a sexy red frame which adds extra durability, you know what for, and some ways to diversify one's love life. It comes equipped with a 32-inch LCD TV and a surround sound system to create the atmosphere, a champagne space at the lover's disposal, and a massage unit embedded under the mattress for full relaxation. The price rises to a good $50,000. 10th most expensive bed. Monarch 6th Spring Bed, $50,000. 6th Spring offers handmade luxury beds and divans with pocketed springs and the finest natural upholstery like British fleece, wool or horsetail, ensuring its clients of the highest level of comfort and no compromises. The Monarch is one of those models. It contains 3,000 springs for excellent comfort and has a price that will leave you thinking a lot before buying, $50,000. But after your first nap on this bed, you'll know it was worthy of the price. Thank you for watching this video. Meet in next video. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notification. Please like, share and comment to all our videos.